Hello, participants. It was a pleasure seeing all of you today. Some of you couldn't sign on into the Zoom, and I thought that I would make a small video where I could show you physically how to sign on into the Zoom application. For many people, I know the difficulties they encounter, and I have to make it simple so that you would be able to participate in the next meeting that we have with Paul Balasundaram. So, what I want to tell you is the link for the Zoom meeting was given in the WhatsApp application. And many of you are accustomed to just clicking the link and the Zoom application opens on into your mobile and you are able to perhaps speak to your loved ones. The difficulty is while you could nicely speak to the person that you are on a personal call, it is very nice. But when it comes to a teaching session, the screen size of the mobile is very small and you will miss half the fun. So many people who have the laptop, I would advise you that, and if you are having Wi-Fi connected to your laptop, I would advise you that you use the laptop instead of the mobile phone. So one of the first thing that I would like to tell you is, please, you don't have to have the WhatsApp application because it will unnecessarily confuse you. There are many who will say that WhatsApp can be opened up in the laptop and then there you can click a link and walk into the Zoom application, which I will not uh, deal with it right now because it is really not required and it makes the whole thing a little more complex. I shall show you the simplest way in which you can sign into the Zoom application. So now that you are seeing me face to face, I shall now go into a mode where you would be able to see my entire computer screen in my laptop. This could be a desktop, this could be a laptop. Okay. So you can see me now talking from one corner, but the screen of my computer or my laptop is visible to you. Now, what I would suggest is that you download your Zoom application through somebody whom you know. It's very easy. Just type in www.zoom.us. The home page will come. There it will tell you download Windows and you download it. If you are not able to do it, somebody will do it for you. And what happens is basically, if you see here, see this is my Zoom application. It has come into my desktop. So what I shall show you, how it opens up and all that. I'll have to click this. There are only two things that you need. You need a meeting identity and you need a password. Both of them have been given to you in your WhatsApp application. But don't you worry, I have taken it down and I will allow you sufficient time to write down the username and password in your notebook and then we can proceed further. So once again I'm saying that I shall give you the username password. It will be displayed on your screen. Give you sufficient time to write it down so that it will be easy for you to type that username, that meeting ID, identity and the password when the Zoom application opens. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. So let me now give you the username and password. So I will open my browser. This could be a Chrome browser. I use the Firefox. Okay. So I will click it. And here I am giving you the username and password for Zoom. Don't have to worry about anything. You have not opened that application. But what I want to tell you is Here is the meeting ID. See here, 945 5803 5378. Don't have to give space. Keep on typing. Space has been given so that you don't miss out any number. It becomes easy for your eyes to see. But basically, there is no space. Just keep on typing 945 5803 5378 in the meeting ID. I will show you where to type, but you write it down on a notebook. Now, this is the password 837319. Have you written down both? I have given you sufficient time. So, here the thing I would like to tell you is you must have the Zoom application installed. See, it is here. It is here. Can you see my cursor? This should be available in your laptop or desktop or PC, whatever. This should be there. Then only this video is. So if you do not have Zoom as application, that is, this is not there, then you can also use the browser like Chrome, Firefox, or anything else and still talk in Zoom. But I am not going to confuse you and show you that. That could be in some other video. Okay. So this is all that I want to tell you. This meeting ID and password, you write it down in a notebook. So I'll just bring it down. Okay. Now again, I'm back to my what you call my desktop. So let us open the Zoom application. Here, see, down below I have got Zoom and I click it. And suddenly you see that Zoom has opened. Now, you really don't have to sign into Zoom. I want to tell you that. But if you should, if you click here, see this place where you see my picture, you can use your Google Gmail password and username, and you can sign in. But for you, it is not required because you are zooming in on into Mr. Paul Balasundaram's Zoom application. So you don't have to sign in. So this screen will come. Can you see this screen? So remember this screen. So what I did was I simply pressed the Zoom and this particular page has come. Now there are 4 items only. It's very simple. See, there is a new meeting, there is join, there is schedule, and there is share screen. Okay. Before you do that, you know that you have to switch on your camera for it to capture your face, and also open the microphone for others to hear your voice. So how that is done, you see this small star-like, flower-like, it's called the gear icon. It's called the gear icon. So if you click it, what happens is number of these menus come here. This is general. So what you call, if you are interested, you can click number 2 and number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So pause this video and you can click these 2. Okay. But it is not compulsory. Now I press this video. Okay. And in this video, because I am already using my video, you are not able to see. Otherwise, you should see your picture here. Now that I am doing another video, it will not come. Okay. That is all. That is, when you press video, you should see your face. And if you can pause my video here, you have to enable all this. No, don't enable this because I have got a good Wi-Fi, so don't enable HD. But you can definitely mirror my video, touch up my appearance if you want to, and display names on the video, and always show video preview before you start a meeting. So this 1, 2, 3, and 4 should be ticked. Please do so. Again, I am saying not compulsory. If you are afraid of doing anything, leave it. So I clicked it. How did I come here? Once again, I repeat. If you click this, you will come here. Okay. So now what I do is I have to join Paul Sundaram's meet, which is on Thursday, right? So what I will do is I will join here. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. This join. I will press this join here. And here is where it says meeting ID. Remember you wrote it down in your notebook, and what it was, 945-5803-5378. I'll show you how it is written. Okay, once again. So no space, I told you, but I have given space so that you can find it easy not to forget numbers in between. So I do 945-5803. See how it separates on its own. I have not done it. 5378. So it will automatically take the space. You simply type. Because I have signed in, this George Marshall has come. Otherwise, it doesn't have to be done. Okay. Do not tick these two. There are two things. So now you have to say join. Okay. And now what is next item to type is enter meeting password. So where is the password? I have already given it to you. It is in your notebook. It is 837319. Okay. And then you say here this join meeting. Now let me tell you, this meeting has been closed. So don't expect to see many faces, etc. So it is just to show you. So all you have to do is now click this join meeting. Okay, so it is verifying my password and it says please wait for Mr. Host is Mr. Paul Balasundaram. He will allow you to enter into the meeting. So your job is done. Okay, you are in the Mr. Paul's meeting and you can participate. What I want to tell you is, so I am now leaving this meeting because there is no meeting now. Now what I want to tell you, brothers and sisters, is that when you start your meeting, you can open up your video, you can open up your microphone. Now that will be down below. Now you cannot see because the meeting is not on. Okay, but down below on the left side, left bottom, just write it down somewhere. The left bottom, you will see the picture of a mic, that is microphone. Okay, and you will find a picture of a camera. Okay, it is like this movie camera. So when you touch it, one arrow will come and strike it off. Each of them, the microphone and the camera. When it strikes down, that means your microphone is shut down. And when you strike down the camera, your camera is shut down. So initially you can keep both of them without striking, that is on. You can talk, you can say that you have come to the meeting. But once the meeting starts, it's always better that you switch off your camera and your microphone. This is on your bottom of the screen on the left hand side of your screen. Okay, so this is one thing. Now if you have a weak Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi is stuttering, okay, not able to it doesn't support your video, so it's always best to switch off your video. Okay, and also as I told you, once the audio, there is no problem. Audio takes very little data. So once that meeting starts, you can switch off the mic, but in case you want to talk in between, make sure that the mic is switched on. Where I said, at the bottom left, there's a picture of the microphone. You click it, the slash on it will go. It's like it's cut. That should go. And then you can speak. I think once or twice if you practice, it will be easy for you. So I have physically shown you how to do it. Now, so what I did was, I didn't use WhatsApp. I didn't click the link. Okay, the messages came in your WhatsApp. I only noted down those username and identity on my notebook, and through my laptop, I have used only the meeting identity and the password, and I was able to enter into the Zoom conversations. So with this, I, George Marshall, sign off. Hope you have a wonderful day.